What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Braids by Net. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my knotless box braids. I know it's a few tutorials out there, but this is how I like to do mine, and this is how I get my knotless box braids to look really neat and very sleek. So now I'm starting her knotless box braid off. I make sure I put jam. Now the key is to put jam. Put jam all around the perimeter of the braid. And this is to make sure that the hair is sleek, because of course the roots are showing and you want these roots to look good. You want them to look neat. You don't want it to look messy. You know, after a while with knotless box braids, it does get a bit messy looking, but you know, this is the look that a lot of people are looking for when they are getting knotless box braids. However, when you're first getting these braids on, you want it to look really sleek and neat. So when I start off, I make sure I put jam on the perimeter of the braid, and then I start braiding to the right and then the left, or either way. And then I add about 3 pieces of hair. It really depends on the thickness of your client's hair, how full they want their braids. Some people want their braids as full as regular box braids, and some people just want it to be thin, very thin and lightweight. A lot of my clients, like I mentioned in my other knotless box braid video, are military, so they want their braids to be light and not as full, because they want it to fit in the bun really easily. So please continue watching. Let me know down below what y'all think of this video. If you guys have any questions about knotless box braids, I will happily answer them for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.